Oo?
See, I know what you're doing here. You're copying the JMAC.
Sino ka na anak ko nakapaka mo?
Sa JMAC po.
Gio.
Daddy,
Sige,
oh,
daddy.
si Gio.
Gio will not go with you na lang to fetch mommy.
Stop.
Gio, stop.
You don't
You will
want to
not
eat
go to
na?
school anymore?
You don't want to
No.
You
No.
eat properly. Use the fork.
eat? Hold the fork properly.
It's not the way to...
Yan, ang going to get Tita Spoon na lang. Will take Tita Spoon.
No.
Because you're doing that doing. Can you eat
You
properly?
eat properly. Ay, I'll call mommy. Mommy,
Eat properly, okay?
Gio na lang will not be with daddy.
I know.
You will not go to school anymore. Nagbabad si Gio. Anong palabas yun?
Yung mga palabas ko sa JMA.
I tell daddy to stop subscribing to GMA because you're imitating the shows at GMA. It's SPG. Samahan pat mo ba kay Gio? Ay, the G stands for Gio. Ay, Gio ka. Bago sa'yo. Ang dami mo. Behave naman, Gio.
Ay, nagbilis ni Tita. You follow Tita, ha?
You bitch!
Ay, that's bad, the word.
You're copying the
Oh?
scene. JMA.
That's bad. Sige, I'll let mommy see that, ha. I showed mommy the video you made, okay? And then what you said, that's bad.
Ay, Gio.
Sige. What's happening? We will remove na lang the GMA. Ito, daddy, remove the GMA na lang in the TV.
You will not
Because
watch the JMA.
close na lang the GMA.
No more JMA.
No more GMA na lang. That's bad.
And sometimes you're watching 5PC in the
Oh.
YouTube, ha?
I will tell ate na lang.
It's not a good thing, Gio.
Huh?
Oh, dapat pa yan.
Gio.
Hold the fork properly.
Ay, tito will not go here na lang next week. I tell daddy, tito will not go here. I'll go in a far, far away place. I'll ride an airplane far away from Gio. You cannot see me anymore na lang. Maybe for 2 years, 3 years.
No.
I'll see you when you're 20 years old. That's 5 years from now. Maybe you'll be a good man by that time. When you're 20. I'll see you when you're 20 years old. Kasi you're not behaving. You're imitating what you're watching. You know, it's bad that you keep doing it. Oh.
Hey, stop that. Stop doing that. It's not nice.
It's Gio.
Okay, do it. Do it someone.
Mhm. You want to break the ano?
Can you please stop, Gio? Stop doing that. I'm going to call Daddy. You want me to call Daddy?
Mm.
You want Daddy to sit beside you?
No.
Stop doing a bad things, huh?
Oo.
I'm trying to do it again. See?
Ay, kay teacher na lang.
No.
Ay, Gio ka.
Don't do that in school, huh?
No.
Gio. That's a bad thing.
The teacher will get angry. Careful, ha? Do not eat the bones.
It might.
Break your, ngipin. Sige. Do you want your ngipin to hurt? Oh,
What are you trying to do again?
mm. Gio.
See? Maganda ka na. Ito ang wish ulit to mommy.
I'll forward that video to mommy, okay?
No.
Are you done?
Ah,
Are you done?
maybe we'll just get the glass so you can drink water.
You're done eating, you stop. Go ahead, do it. Ikatin mo. Go. Jeez, that might be bad. Even this food. Daddy also Gio. Go, Gio. Dapat yung hand, oh, it's already. Have to wash your hands.
Oo. Ay, ilayo mo na.
You stop recording me, Gio. Gio, stop na, Gio.
Gio.
Stop na, Gio. Stop. That's enough. Okay, you will not go later na lang to teach mommy.
No. Ha?
Uy, G. Ano na nga?
Stand up there. Stand up. Wash your hands. Stand up. You have to wash your hands. Stand up na, Gio. Gio. Daddy, oh, si Gio. Nagbabad. You want belt? Where's the belt?
Asan belt? Belt.
No.
Belt.
No.
Put it down.
Stand up na.
No.
You wash your hands.
Please.
What, please? Oh, wash your hand, please. Go.
Pinapon yan.
Go, wash your hands, please. Stand up. Good boy. Are you a good boy? Is that
Ay,
a good
Tita, we go
boy?
home na. Okay. I will go home na lang. Kusan lang, ha? I'll see you in 5 years when you're 20. When you're 20 years old. Okay, bye. Because
I think
you're
you're
so
doing a
bad.
bad thing because you are recording. Stop recording. You stop recording because you're doing a bad thing.
No.
See? If you're recording, you're doing a bad thing.
Ay.